These are 5 water heater brands that could cost you thousands in repairs, flood your basement, or in one case, fill your home with carbon monoxide. And these are 3 brands that professional plumbers actually install in their own homes. Water heating is the second largest energy expense in the average American home. It accounts for roughly 13% of your total energy bill, which means you're spending somewhere between $300 and $800 a year just to keep water hot. Over a 12-year appliance lifespan, that gap compounds to between $3,600 and $9,600 in total energy costs. So when your water heater fails, and it will, the brand you choose to replace it with is one of the most consequential purchasing decisions you'll make as a homeowner. And yet most people spend more time researching their next phone than they do the appliance that will run quietly in their basement for the next decade, heating every shower, every load of laundry, every dish. They walk into a big box store, point at whatever's on sale, and hope for the best. That is a mistake, because not all water heater brands are created equal. Some will give you 15 years of trouble-free hot water. Others will have a repair technician in your basement 4 times in the first year. Let's start with the brands you need to walk away from. Brand number 1 to avoid, Whirlpool, specifically the big box store models sold at Lowe's. Now, Whirlpool is a name most Americans trust. They make decent dishwashers, solid refrigerators. But here's something most consumers don't realize. Whirlpool doesn't actually manufacture their own water heaters. The units sold under the Whirlpool name at Lowe's were manufactured by the American Water Heater Company. And the track record of these units is, to put it diplomatically, abysmal. There are pages upon pages of complaints. The thermocouples burn out prematurely. The burner assemblies malfunction. The gas thermostats fail. One service technician who visited a customer's home for the 4th time said, and I quote, "They see this all the time in Whirlpool water heaters." The 4th time, for the same unit. But the real story that tells you everything you need to know happened in Kentucky. In one region alone, Lowe's stores were shipping out an average of 30 burner assemblies and gas valves per week. That's nearly 150 malfunctioning units per month in a single area. The problem got so severe that Lowe's actually pulled Whirlpool water heaters from their shelves for a period of time. They stopped selling them. When the retailer itself loses confidence in the product, that should tell you everything. And here's the deeper issue. These retail channel units often carry different model numbers and different warranty terms than contractor-grade versions of similar products. You're not getting the same water heater a plumber would install. You're getting the version that was engineered to hit a price point on a store shelf. If this saved you an expensive mistake, be sure to like the video and subscribe. Brand number 2 to avoid, Richmond water heaters. Richmond is one of those brands that most people haven't heard of until they're standing in an aisle staring at a slightly cheaper option and thinking, why not save a few bucks? Here's why not. Richmond water heaters holds an average consumer rating of just 1.7 out of 5 across 155 reviews. That is remarkably low. To put it in perspective, that means the overwhelming majority of people who bought a Richmond water heater felt compelled to go online and warn others. The complaints paint a consistent picture. Customers report rust forming on the tank after just 2 months of installation. 2 months. Others describe ongoing corrosion at 22 months. Warranty claims are reportedly difficult to process, and design problems only become apparent after the unit is already installed in your home. One customer's review was 3 words long: "Do not buy." When that's the most common sentiment across hundreds of reviews, it's not an outlier, it's a pattern. Brand number 3 to avoid, and this one is serious. VST, also known as VESTA.DS, based out of Ontario, California. On October 16, 2025, the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission issued a joint recall with Health Canada for 36,700 VST gas-fired tankless water heaters. The reason? The exhaust ducts can crack and allow combustion gases to seep into your home. We're talking about carbon monoxide, an odorless, colorless gas that kills over 400 Americans every year. At the time of the recall, there had already been 33 reports of cracked exhaust ducts. The official language from the CPSC described this as posing a carbon monoxide poisoning hazard that can result in death or serious injury. These units were sold at plumbing supply stores nationwide from May of 2017 all the way through July of 2025. That's 8 years on the market. They ranged in price from $480 to $1,340. If you have one of these in your home, stop watching this video and check the model number against the CPSC recall list right now. This isn't about inconvenience or wasted money. This is a life safety issue. Brand number 4 to avoid, generic and store brand water heaters. This one isn't about a single brand name, it's about a category. Those unbranded or lightly branded water heaters you find at hardware stores and big box retailers, the ones that are mysteriously $50 or $100 cheaper than everything else on the shelf. There's a reason they're cheaper. Generic store brand water heaters typically come with minimal warranties, often just 1 year on labor and limited coverage on parts. When something does break, and it will, finding replacement components can be a nightmare. These units aren't widely serviced by professional plumbers, and the manufacturers behind them often don't have robust parts distribution networks. One plumbing company, Yarbrough & Sons, put it bluntly. Their advice was, quote, "Never buy a water heater from an orange or blue big box store. Orange and blue, you know who they're talking about. The upfront savings evaporate the moment you need a repair, and with an appliance that's expected to last a decade or more, you are almost certainly going to need a repair. Buy cheap, buy twice. That old saying exists for a reason." Brand number 5 to avoid, and this one might surprise you, Rheem. With some important caveats, Rheem is the largest water heater manufacturer in North America. They were established in 1925. They make excellent HVAC equipment. Their ProTerra line of heat pump water heaters is genuinely impressive, with uniform energy factor ratings exceeding 4.0 on some models, meaning the unit delivers 4 units of thermal energy for every 1 unit of electrical energy consumed. That's 400% efficiency, which sounds impossible but is a real physical property of heat pump technology. So why is Rheem on the avoid list? 2 words: prorated warranty. Most reputable water heater brands offer a full replacement if your tank fails under warranty. Rheem, however, often uses a prorated system. Here's what that means in practice. Let's say you buy a Rheem tank water heater with an 8-year warranty. If that tank fails in year 7, after 7 years of faithful service, Rheem might offer you a $75 credit toward a new unit. $75 on a water heater that costs $600 to $1,000 or more. That's not a warranty, that's a coupon. This prorated approach is widely considered an archaic practice that is fundamentally bad for consumers, and the problems don't stop at warranty structure. There are increasing reports of quality decline. One Reddit user posted, quote, "I have a plumber in my basement right now replacing my Rheem Professional Series tank for the 3rd time in a little over a year. 3 replacements in just over 12 months. From a professional grade product line, Rheem's warranty support system is also reportedly difficult to navigate, adding frustration to an already expensive problem." Now, to be fair, Rheem still produces some excellent products. If you're buying their high-end heat pump water heaters, you're likely getting a solid unit, but the warranty practices alone are enough to warrant serious caution, particularly on their tank models. You're paying for a safety net that may not actually catch you when you fall. Now let's talk about the brands that are actually worth your money. The 3 that plumbers recommend, install, and trust. Brand number 1, Rinnai, the best tankless water heater on the market. If you're going tankless, Rinnai is the brand, not one of the brands, the brand. They are the industry leader in tankless water heaters, with the highest reliability ratings, the best dealer network, and the longest track record. Stephen Smith, a responsible master plumber, calls Rinnai his no-doubt brand of choice for residential tankless systems. His reasoning is simple, quote, "I've worked with Rinnai systems for years, and I've had less service calls with them than other brands. Not installation errors, just general repair jobs. They appear to be more reliable than other products." The specific model worth looking at is the Rinnai RX199IN. This unit has been tested against 6 other whole-house tankless models in real homes, and it consistently delivered the most stable water temperature across simultaneous demand. Its 11.1 gallon per minute flow rate can handle 3 showers and a dishwasher running at the same time without temperature drops. The condensing heat exchanger pushes the uniform energy factor rating to 0.96, which is among the highest efficiency ratings in residential gas tankless units available in 2026. That translates to roughly $150 to $200 in annual gas savings compared to non-condensing units. In terms of longevity, Rinnai tankless units in Texas, where hard water is a significant challenge, are averaging 18 to 22 years of life with annual descaling. The warranty covers the heat exchanger for 12 to 15 years. Yes, you'll pay more upfront. Tankless installation runs between $1,800 and $4,500 or more depending on your setup. But consider this, a traditional tank water heater lasts 8 to 12 years. A Rinnai tankless lasts 18 to 22. You'll likely replace a tank water heater twice in the time a single Rinnai keeps running. For households using about 41 gallons of hot water per day, tankless heaters offer energy efficiency improvements ranging from 24 to 34%. Even for homes with higher usage, up to 85 gallons daily, they still provide 8 to 14% improvements. The math works. If you're going to consider buying this heater, let us know in the comments down below. Recommended brand number 2, Bradford White, the best tank water heater you can buy. Bradford White has been manufacturing water heaters for 144 years, since 1881. They are consistently rated as the most reliable water heater brand based on thousands of consumer reviews, scoring high marks for both longevity and build quality. But here's what really sets Bradford White apart. They are the plumber's choice. When you ask professional plumbers what they install in their own homes, Bradford White comes up again and again. Heil Plumbing, a company spanning 3 generations in the trade, states plainly that their plumbers unanimously agree Bradford White is among the best water heater brands available. One top-rated Reddit commenter in the plumbing community put it this way, quote, "Love Bradford. A.O. Smith seems to be not as reliable in my opinion, but Bradford's never give me trouble." The Bradford White Defender series is the specific line to look at for tank-style water heaters. These atmospheric vent models are workhorses that deliver reliable hot water with excellent efficiency. Their Icon system provides intelligent diagnostics and precise temperature control, and their powered anode option eliminates the need for anode rod maintenance entirely. Now there are caveats. Bradford White sells exclusively through professional plumbing channels. You will not find them at Home Depot or Lowe's. This is intentional because it ensures professional installation, but it also means if you bought one through unofficial channels, warranty claims can be difficult. Some customers report that the brand does not honor warranties for homeowners who didn't purchase through an authorized plumbing service. There are also occasional reports of longer wait times for replacement part. But for most homeowners working with a licensed plumber, Bradford White remains the gold standard in tank water heaters. Recommended brand number 3, A.O. Smith. A.O. Smith has been in the water heater business since 1874. That's over 150 years of manufacturing experience. They produce water heaters across every category: gas, electric, hybrid heat pump, tankless, and circulating models for both residential and commercial use. What makes A.O. Smith the value pick is the combination of solid engineering at an accessible price point. Their proprietary blue diamond glass coating on tank interiors provides exceptional protection against corrosion. These units stand up well to mineral buildup, and with proper regular maintenance, they offer a commendable lifespan. Their signature Premier line features a variety of tank and tankless models that deliver strong performance and long-term durability. Many models include a 12-year warranty and are ENERGY STAR certified. Their tankless units deserve mention too. The parts are almost completely interchangeable across the lineup, which means repairs are straightforward and affordable. For first-time homeowners or rental properties where you need reliable hot water without breaking the bank, A.O. Smith units from Home Depot offer solid reliability at competitive pricing. Their Voltex 50-gallon heat pump model carries a uniform energy factor of 3.45, making it one of the top-performing heat pump water heaters in 2026. There are caveats here too. A.O. Smith's customer service has drawn criticism. Their Better Business Bureau rating sits at just 1.06 out of 5 stars from 50 customer reviews. Complaints include units failing after a year, $400 repair costs under what was supposed to be warranty coverage, and warranties that cover parts but not labor. One customer reported their brand new A.O. Smith tankless heater completely failed in less than 6 months, and every authorized warranty plumber on the manufacturer's list refused to service their area. So A.O. Smith builds a good product, but if something goes wrong, getting support can be a battle. Factor that into your decision. If any of these brands saved you from making a costly mistake, I would appreciate a like on the video and subscribing on the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, and it makes a big difference for my channel. Before I wrap up, here's a maintenance tip that could save you more money than any brand choice. Replacing the anode rod once at around year 5 effectively doubles the life of any tank water heater, regardless of brand. Most plumbers won't proactively recommend this because it's labor intensive and they don't profit much from it, but it's the single most cost-effective thing you can do. An annual flushing. If you do nothing else, flush your tank once a year. Hard water leaves mineral scale that bakes onto the tank floor, reduces efficiency, and accelerates corrosion. A flushed tank lasts 2 to 4 years longer than an unflushed one. Any brand, every time. The water heater sitting in your basement right now is quietly consuming more energy than almost anything else in your home. When it finally gives out, and the average tank only lasts 8 to 12 years, you'll have a decision to make. You can walk into the nearest big box store and grab whatever's cheapest. Or you can spend a few extra minutes and a few extra dollars to buy something that will actually last. Rinnai for tankless, Bradford White for tanks, A.O. Smith for value. Avoid the rest of this list, maintain what you buy, and that water heater might just outlast your next car.